My name is Vikat Naik and this is my friend Joydeep Das. So we will be explaining the new income tax act introduced in Union Budget. So the Union Budget 2025 introduced a restructured tax framework effective April 1st, 2026. So the main objective of this reform is to reduce taxation, reduce complexity and provide relief to the middle class income taxpayer. The relief is on deduction and the relief on deduction and taxation in previous. Now it is on like tax-free. It is highly on tax-free and lower tax rates, tax-free income slabs. So the new income slab is this, and the old income slab is this one. So in previous income slab, there was age benefit, but now there is no age benefit. This is for below 60 people, citizens of 60 to 79, and super senior is up to 5 lakh. It is nil. Next slide. So the major highlight: increase assumption and rebate. So the limit has been raised. Exemption limit has been raised for 4 lakhs. The assumption enhance of rate of section 87A, rebate increase of 60,000 of income of 12 lakhs, but previously it was of 12,500 rebate up to 5 lakh of income. So effectively the person who is earning 12 lakhs will pay zero tax. Next. So standard deduction, another benefit. So standard deduction is now of 75,000. In previous it was of 50,000. And employee NPS contribution, national pension system, is increased 14% to tire and surcharge remains unchanged. So I will just show an example. So assume there is a salaried person with an income of 12,75,000. So in that we will get for standard deduction of 75,000. So it will be 12 lakh. So the tax on this is for first 4 lakh it will be nil. For next 4 lakh, that is 8 lakh. 4 lakh to 8 lakh. On it is 5%. That will be 20,000. And next 8 lakh to 12 lakh. It will be of 10%. So it will be 40,000. So the total tax will be 60,000. But according to the section 87A, we will get rebate of 60,000. So there will be no tax. So the next will continue Joydeep Das.
Who most benefited from the new regime? The new tax regime is best for the salaried person who don't use deduction like 80C, 80D and HRA. Then the people who earn up to 12 lakh will pay zero tax after rebate. It is also good for those who want simple tax filing with less paperwork. So now I am telling about the old regime and new regimes difference. So the first main difference between the old regime and new regime is deduction and simplicity. The old regimes allows many deductions like already I told 80C, 80D and HRA and home loan benefits and etc. The new regimes has few deductions and with low tax rates. So people with many deductions choose old regimes, and people with simple salary choose new regimes. The main key point of this budget reforms, the budget 2026 introduced some important changes. Now we can correct the idea till 31st March 2027. TCS on education and TCS and education and medical payments is reduced 5% to 2%. There is also tax benefits on SGV. SGV is like sovereign gold bonds. It's also benefited for us. This all changes help us individual taxpayers. Thank you.